Hello everyone, we've got another grade 9 question here which is suitable for GCSE or IGCSE, and it says Jack plays a game with two fair spinners A and B. Spinner A can land on the numbers 2, 3, 5 or 6 and spinner B can land on the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Jack spins both spinners. He wins a game if one spinner lands on an odd number and the other spinner lands on an even number. Jack plays the game twice. Work out the probability that Jack will win both games. So I think the first thing to do here is to have a little tree diagram to represent the two spinners, because remember the two spinners are independent events. Okay, so we're going to say that we have got spinner A and we have got spinner B. Now we need to represent it as that they're going to land on either an odd or an even. Okay, for both of the spinners are going to land on either odd or even. So let's have a look at spinner A. Now what the probability of odd is we've got 3, 5 and 7. So that's going to be 3/4 for odd and 1/4 for even. Spinner B, what's the probability of odd? We have got only 2 odd numbers there. So we've got 3 and 5. So that's going to be odd is going to be 2 out of 5. And even is going to be 3 out of 5 for spinner B, because it can land on 2, 4 or 6. So we're going to have 2 out of 5 and 3 out of 5 like that. So that's our sort of tree diagram representing the situation. Now Jack wins the game if one of them lands on an odd and the other lands on an even. So if A lands on odd, B has to land on even. That's a win. Or if A lands on even, B lands on odd, that is a win as well. Okay, so those are our two win scenarios. So let's have a look at the probability of this. So this first branch is going to be 3/4 times by 3/5. So 3/4 times by 3/5. So that's one way that Jack can win. Or, and notice the word or, when we hear the word or, we have an add. And when we think about the word and, we have a multiply, because it needs to be on an odd on A and an even on B. Okay, so that's why that's multiplied. Now, the other way that Jack can win is if we have an even on A, which is going to be 1/4, and an odd on B. So that's going to be times by 2/5. Okay, so that's going to be 9 over 20 plus 2 over 20. Which is going to be 11 over 20. So 11 over 20 is the probability of Jack winning the game. However, Jack, and this is where it is a little bit tricky, Jack plays the game twice. So therefore, he has to win on both times. Now, the probability of winning is 11 over 20. So it's going to be 11 over 20 for game 1. Okay, and then we have game 2. It's going to be times by 11 over 20 for game 2, because Jack has to win game 1 and game 2. So therefore, the probability that Jack wins both games is 121 over 400. And that's our final answer for that one. Hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you're finding these videos useful, if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be great. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.